let's talk about Docker engine. So basically, if you look at this Docker daemon is a Docker engine, so that if Docker engine is stopped, so all the container is not accessible. So this is very, very critical services in the Docker container technology, because this service keep live this all containers. And if this service is down, client cannot interact with the container. Even engineer cannot access this daemon. So which is very important for us, for any engineer, to make sure this Docker daemon should be always running. All right. And what is Docker engine? What is this whole Docker engine is? So if you look at this one, this part, white one, this is a small daemon which allow us to keep this whole container live. So that is the daemon we called, and that daemon we called as a Docker D. All right. So if you in upcoming lectures we are going to do the labs. So in labs we basically will see how Docker D allows us to create number of container and manage the containers. So Docker D is very important. And the REST API is the number of API that client uses to give any action to the Docker daemon. As we discussed, we can create container, move container, delete container. This all possible with the help of this API. So it can be graphic API, that is application program interface, or you can hit the CLI. So both is possible from client end. So client end did not interact with the Docker daemon without this two medium. Either it will come from the API or it will come from the CLI. But anyway, they have to use the Docker client. Without Docker client, we cannot interact with the Docker daemon. So these two things are very important to manage the complete Docker container environment. So Docker daemon should be live, it should be up and running, and from Docker client we can give number of actions to perform on that host. All right. So here we'll stop this video. Thank you for watching it.